Hi guys, welcome back on Tech 8. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to delete your Threads account. After this, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on it, and here you can now tap on two dashes at the top right corner of the screen, and you can go to the account, and here you can see the fifth option, that is deactivate or delete profile. Tap on it, and after this you can just simply tap on delete profile at the last. After tap on deleting profile, it means you can delete your profile permanently, and after the 30 days your all data and threads account is deleted. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes some browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.